Hi again. I just walked out of the Belek Center, which is, they call it Belek Markaz. So this is kind of a local area, and I'm just hungry. I'm looking for nice food. So let's see if there is. I saw some kind of kebab. I don't know if they have it here. So I found a local restaurant. I will eat some 60. So there is a language barrier. 60 lira.
Lira, yeah.
Very good. One
Yeah?
portion. One portion, yeah? Yeah. You like video?
Yes.
Yeah. He's my chef. We will, Mustafa. We will try some
HANEDAN Restaurant.
Mevlana.
Yes.
Mevlana, yeah? Mevlana. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, one. Where is it? Upstairs, downstairs?
Somewhere.
Huh?
Eden Garden.
Garden is hot.
Ben teşekkür ederim.
Here is okay. Oh.
Şu masayı, ha?
Let's sit down and see how is the
What is your name?
Hikmat.
Hikmet.
Yeah, Hikmat.
Mevlana one portion.
One portion, yeah.
Afganistan. Yek, tu, se, çar.
Yak don.
Yek.
Yak khorak.
Hikmet.
Yes.
No English. Afganca.
Yeah, Afghan. I live in London.
İngiltere.
Yeah. I live in London.
Ne istedi abi? Servisin hemen açık.
Bir porsiyon
Abime davet.
kuşbaşını.
Telefon buradan. Nerede abi?
Abim nerede? Hikmet çay içersin çay.
Yes,
Chai.
please, chai.
Çay.
Turkish chai is good. I love chai.
Biz bir çay vereyim.
This place is of Belek Center, so I came to local area. I think the prices are also quite cheap in here. Lahmacun is a kind of lahmacun, and it is 60 lira. It's very good.
Yorulmam lazım. Hazırlamam lazım bir şey.
Teşekkür ederim.
Buyurun efendim.
Buraya şey istedi ha. Mevlana istedim Mevlana.
And hot weather, there's tea.
60 TL dedim ben ama.
Wonderful. So let's try this tea here. Oh, this is good. It's very hot here. Not really hot. From where I come, this is considered. Antalya today is now is 31 degrees, I think. 31 degrees is very humid. So waiting for the food, enjoying my nice cup of Turkish tea, which is quite nice. So this is the local restaurant that I'm having this food. How do you call it? Malevya?
Kebap.
Kebab.
Kebab.
Yeah? Oh, this is how they're doing it. This is meat or vegetable?
Kapya.
This is the sabzi. Oh, they have here. Oh, this is pepper. Pepper. Pepper.
Isot.
Nice. That is their oven. It is a wooden oven. Nice. I think it is a family run. Oh, this is wonderful. Beef. Cow.
Kuzu.
Kuzu is cow. Lamb.
Lam.
Oh, lamb. Yeah. So I will wait for the. I forget the name of this. Mevlana. What is the name of the restaurant?
Abi biz o kadar anlamıyoruz Türkçe. Biz Türkçe, sen Türkçe. Ne oluyor?
Yenge hamuru abime verir misin? Hamur bizim.
No, esme restaurant.
Hanedan.
Hanedan.
Hana?
Dan.
Hana. I will go and
Hanedan.
film it, yeah. Hanedan.
Dışarı.
Oh, this one. Ooh. Oh, here. HANEDAN Restaurant. It is just, the center is there, and this is off center here. It is quite good. Fresh tomatoes. Oh, this is special. I have exclusive access to their kitchen. So this is family business?
Nahvarlı.
No, this restaurant is
Restaurant,
family business, family.
Family Hanedan.
Yeah, Hanedan, yeah, Hanedan business.
Business. Restaurant.
Everybody is family, yeah, here.
Okay.
Oh, good.
Aile restoranı değil mi? Family. Aile. Family, aile.
Okay.
Yeah, family, everyone, yeah.
Okay.
Very good. I like family Hanedani business. I'm trying to learn Turkish, but
Okay.
it is not easy. So that is the oven here.
Eda bir şey yap bakayım. 2 tane de kuş başlıyor.
Yenge hamur mu lazım?
Bir bak bakın lan.
Siparişleri.
Kuşbaşı
The
var,
meat
yenge
with
var.
mixed of vegetables is going on the dough, which is the base. That's it.
Abi ben şöyle şurada.
That's what I was looking for.
Yengeciğim orada kuşbaşı var mı? Benim siparişimde yazmışım.
I don't like eating inside the center.
Okay.
I like to eat where local people have business. Local.
Lokat. Afganca konuşsa pek anlarız ha.
Bu Afgan.
Ha.
Abicim bak 2 tane benim siparişim var. Kıymalı bir tane beyefendinin var.
2 tane.
Başka da yok. Toplamda 3 tane kıymalımız var. Kuşbaşımız var. Yukarıda.
Yukarıda
Evet.
tuvalet.
Kuşbaşı yaz o zaman.
Toplamda
olmuyor.
yok kıymalı değil. Toplamda 3 kuşbaşı var.
3 tane kuşbaşı var.
Kuşbaşı var.
İnşallah 3 tane kuşbaşıdır.
Abicim 2 tane benim oraya gidecek. Bir tane de beyefendi.
O kuşbaşı mı? Kıymalı o.
Eda burada hep kıymalı yazıyor.
This is how they are making it.
Allah'ım sana seydem.
Fast hand. You're watching. Oh, these are the, I don't know what they call.
2 tane kıymalı attın daha
The
yeter mi?
kind of shovel, and they just put it inside.
Sen
Hot in
kaç
there.
tane kıymalı attın?
2.
2 tane daha atıyorsun abi.
Toplam 4 tane değil mi?
Toplam 4 tane. Bir tane de kuşbaşı.
2 tane kuşbaşı.
Bu adama kuşbaşı ver, bir şey olmaz.
Tamam. O zaman
2 tane, şu an içeride 2 kıymalı 2 kuşbaşı var.
tamam beyefendiye kuşbaşı veririz.
Nice. So we will wait for the lahmacuns to bake or cook.
Daha şimdi ortalık.
Then I'll be back.
İzle.
Teşekkür ederim. Oh, the food is here. This smells so good. So let's dig in. So this is the food. It is called mevlana. Mevlana is nice, homemade salad here, and this is pickles. Forgot the name of this one. And chili pickles and pepper.
Butter, su, kola.
Not now. For now, this is good. Thank you. So this is made freshly in the oven. This is so good.
Çorba paketi değil ha.
Well,
Sana
you can see that this is very fresh. I like the bread. The base is so good. Thank you.
2 tane mi kattın?
kolumu sana. Abi salata var da şu an dolapta.
I've never had something like this in a long time.
Bizi bir şey yok. Sana atalım.
I'm glad that I came here No, I tried this restaurant. It's the best. No, this is the new addition. Is a kind of pickled, seasoned onion. Jalapeno, yeah. It's called jalapeno, or is a pickled chili, something like that. So let's try the lamajun is amazing. Even you can't describe it. The food that I had in the resort, this doesn't, nothing comes close to this in that resort food. This salad is amazing. This pickled onion,
Ah, post makinenin şarjı bitmiş.
so good.
Allah.
It's always good to go to local people and eat their local food. This is the best.
Ne oldu abi ne?
Bu çorba hafif çorbası. Baget oluyor.
The portion is quite good.
Yaman post makinesinin şarjı bitmiş.
Lots of pieces. Let's try that chili pepper. Quite good.
Doğru yapın. Yanına
It's spicy.
Bir de ben bu şeyin yanına koyacağım. Kelimenin yanına koyacağım.
Put a bit of this onion maybe on top of this one. Like this. Sandwich it. Make a sandwich. Amazing. I love it.
Şu an müsait. Sonra
The food is amazing. If you stay in Belek, come here. Quite nice. So I will dig into this. And this sauce is made of red chili. Yeah, Mustafa Abi is saying that he is growing this one in his garden. You grow this one in the garden.
Garden şili biber.
Chile. This is quite, it can't get as local as this closer. So they are growing in the garden and this chili is here. Very good.
abi.
I'm in heaven now. The hospitality that you get is amazing. I don't think that you get the hospitality inside the center, given that they are mostly used to tourists. So this is the last bit. It's almost finished.
Yengeciğim ben yukarıdayım.
I think I can eat another one. So I'm finished the lunch. So let's go for another adventure, another activity. So the food is finished. Bell is full. Ready for next adventure. Let's go.
Oh, no.
Go.
No, no.
Reklamını yapacağım.
Gitme. Neydi?
No, no, it's fine. Keep it. So thank you guys.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I will see you guys. Hopefully, maybe if I have time, I will come.
Okay.
If not, I'm going. Girisun. Coming again, maybe. Shayad.
İnşallah.
İnşallah, inşallah.
If I have time, because I have to go all these places.
Okay. To Antalya. Sonra Antalya.
I'm going Antalya. Yeah.
Okay, Antalya. Sonra Antalya, Kemer. Gezeceğiz. Okay, very good. Olimpios, Çıralı,
Uh-huh.
Kumluca, very good.
Okay.
Okay, Deniz.
Yeah.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, Olympus, Termessus, they're saying is good. Perge is good.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
I want to go. Maybe I don't have time. I have to go Saturday.
3 saate gider.
Go back.
Okay. Ondan sonra Bulgaristan.
Giresun.
Giresun.
Yeah, Giresun.
Tamam, Giresun'a gidiyor gezmeye.
Then I go 3 days Istanbul.
2 gün kaldı.
Oh, wife, husband and wife. So we have a family shoot here and here. Everyone, let's put it here. Haneden family. Mustafa abi, Ibrahim abi,
Eda.
Ella,
Eda.
Eda. I don't know how you
Kinem.
say sister.
Okay, sister.
Yeah.
Kinem.
Kinem.
Tina, yeah. So this is the family who runs this Haneden restaurant.
Hanedan.
Hanedan.
Bekleriz.
Okay, guys, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Bye bye.
I hope to see you guys again. Okay,
Goodbye.
see ya.
Goodbye.
Take care. Bye.
Bye bye.
Okay, guys, so we are done from here, and let's go somewhere else. That's the restaurant, Haneden Restaurant. I will put the maybe the number. There is their number as well. I'll put it there. It was a nice experience actually. I really enjoyed it, and that is the city center that way. So it is just the mosque. Off the mosque, you just can walk straight. Is there? Okay, so I had nice food over there. The hospitality was very good, and Haneden Restaurant is a family-run restaurant, which is fantastic. And I really enjoyed the food and their company and their hospitality. The price is quite good. It is 60 lira for one lahmacun, and they give me 3 cups of tea with all types of salad and pickles. So now the belly is full. The belly is full. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. So do make sure you subscribe and hit the like button, and I will see you guys with another adventure.